Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here with Orlando.
Hello, everyone.
We're going to produce a updated tour video. And of course, just about every other day, we can always produce a brand new tour video because I constantly keep adding and changing and updating this platform here, HarveySilverFox.com, Make Money Online Training and Bonuses platform. So for those who are watching this video online or watching this video in this back office here, right here, just keep in mind that chances are this will be out of date in a week. Also, if you want to, if you're watching this video on YouTube, just scroll down into the description of this video to find your way to this platform. There's a link in there, all right? Or you can go to HarveySilverFox.com. Okay, with that out of the way, here's a new updated marketing training for beginners and newbies. Beginners and newbies, this is for you. And of course, just click through here and you're going to see the training right here, and you're going to see how to join and get your free prosperity marketing system. And right here, you're going to find out how I'm going to build a free marketing system for your prosperity marketing system. And of course, whatever money-making opportunity that you happen to be working. So this whole process here, free, doesn't cost you anything. All right. Working our way down here, the free 2,000 leads. Let's click through here. If you click through here and then click through here, this is where you can pick up your 2,000 free leads in the spreadsheet here. And keep in mind that I do try to change this list out a couple times a month, so check back often. Here are the instructions on how to work those leads. Coming down here, if you decide to join this marketing platform, just click here. As soon as you join, go to the next lesson to learn how to request over 200,000 leads every week using our lead swap. So here's the video that explains here. And of course, here's the next lesson here that shows you how I actually received 295,000 leads this 1 week here in my lead swap. Okay. To get into the live training room, you're going to click here and you're going to be redirected over here. So welcome to the Silver Fox Team Build Training. Our room is open 24/7. However, there may not be a team leader in the room at certain times of the day, so hang out until one shows up. We do not have scheduled training sessions, so hang out in the room and be ready to learn when a team leader starts teaching how we market the right way, building your best biz offers to six-figure income levels. And when you do get into the room, ask a team leader. And Orlando, you're constantly in here.
Yeah, constantly.
Okay. You do sleep a few hours, though, don't you?
I try.
Anyway, ask the team leaders such as Orlando about these free marketing and tools and these free systems down here. And by the way, we are looking for team leaders. So when Orlando's sleeping, if you can pick up the slack, we would love to have you as a team leader sharing the profit from those that find their way into this room. Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. Whoops. Let's head on back here. Too many windows open. Okay. So this is the live training room. This is the video marketing. Keep in mind that I do make 75% of my income and my leads come from video marketing. And I know a lot of you just refuse to make a video. Shame on you. So in this area, as I go along here, I'm going to be adding more training such as YouTube video ranking tips. And just like my partner said this morning, I was talking about that. I said, some of these people just won't make a video. He says, do you realize there's software, there's places, tools out there that you can make a video without you actually saying anything, without your face, without your face being on the video. Okay, if they want to hide, that's fine. So, gang, you need to learn to start making videos. And if you can't, I mean, videos are free to make, right? Doesn't cost you anything on YouTube. Yeah. So, and if you just are video shy, I can direct you where you can pick up some of those tools to make these videos where, I mean, you can virtually you can talk, but they won't hear your voice. Anyway, they're everything imaginable out there to do anything on the internet. We pretty much know where it's at, including this video software here. But anyway, here's the directory of video marketing training sources right here, and you really, really need to watch this video. I show you in real time how I rank a video within about 3 to 4 minutes. Within three from the top of your competition. You need to watch this one. Of course, watch for more training to come here. All right. Working our way down here, you must. Well, right here. Here's some Autobot Tools. Work smarter, not harder. Check it out here. You must go through my 6-figure emails profits training course. And I know, hey, listen, I don't have time to slow down and go to school. I know what you're thinking. Gang, you must take the time to learn how to do this business the right way. Please, before you go out there and spend money for marketing, before you join another money-making opportunity, I know many of you I talked to, you've joined 5 or 6 and you're still not rich, and you're wondering why. Okay, you join all these fantastic money-making opportunities, and I'm not making any money. I hear that every day. Orlando, didn't you have a conversation with somebody the other day that said the same thing?
Absolutely.
Please start here. Work your way over here. Once you finish watching this training here, I think the light bulb is going to go on and say, hey, I understand why I'm 98% of those losers out there. Okay, I'm 98% of those people who fail. And then keep working your way down here through all this training down here. Okay, when you get down here, if you only had a brain, okay, the very last one, you're going to say, okay, I know how to change and start marketing the right way once you make your way down here. Okay. Of course, this is a new project I'm starting to make money with GoPro and YouTube, so keep an eye on this. It's just starting. I haven't actually put a video back there yet. I am going up to Lake Powell tomorrow. I think it's September 27th. It'll be tomorrow, Friday. I'll be staying up there for 4 days on a houseboat. So I'll be out of communication. There's no internet on Lake Powell, believe it or not. So when I get back, I might have some GoPro videos to show you right here. All right, working our way down here. This is the viral video Downline Builder Marketing System. Go through this training here. I will build out a platform for you for free. And right here, the webinar, custom produced webinars for your best biz offer. I'll do one for you for free. In fact, Orlando and I were just talking about this. When I get back, I'm going to build out a blogging platform for Orlando. Did you hear that, Orlando?
Yes, it's going to be awesome. I cannot wait.
I'm going to do this for you, buddy. In fact, let's record it. Awesome. Let's record it in real time, all right? Okay. And then we'll show how easy it is for everybody else to do the same thing, all right?
Okay.
Got leads? Start here. Of course, you need Aweber. If you haven't picked up Aweber, of course, get responses out there. But I use Aweber. Here's some viral lead generation software right here. And you might want to pay attention to this one because this method makes $214 per hour with 100% free traffic and offers $885 worth of bonuses. Do I have your attention? And ClickBank affiliate marketing, everybody is into ClickBank marketing, but they don't do it the right way. So start going through my training here. And by the way, I don't think I've put this training together yet. No, I haven't put it together yet. So watch for this training here. Make sure you do click through here and join my ClickBank affiliates, this Facebook group here. And if you're looking for excellent ClickBank training, right here, ClickBank University training, very intense. And they get into a lot of detail, and it's pretty impressive. Okay. Pick up your buyer acceleration method. It's a PDF file. It's free. Just pick it up. Now, when I get back from Lake Powell, there's a Twitter tool that I found that's pretty impressive. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a training video on how to use that tool, and I'll be placing it here, Twitter marketing. And of course,
can't wait to see that too.
Yeah. And Orlando, do you want to talk about, since you're an expert with this, Sizzle Call viral marketing system, you want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. The Sizzle Call free marketing system is designed for your best biz offer, first of all. And you're able to use this in conjunction with the tool that we use called the Auto Lead Monetizer that allows us to post up to 25,000 plus Facebook groups. And it's a very powerful system. It goes viral after a few posts. If one person clicks on it, it continues to go on and on and on.
And you pretty much take care of that. So when they follow the instructions here, you're going to be waiting for them in the Discord room, right?
Absolutely. I'm always here in the Discord room waiting to help someone build their best biz offer and offer them the training as well. So this free Sizzle Call marketing system has its own training platform. It's very easy to follow. Harvey has a complete system set up within this system already. So I recommend it highly.
Yeah, more training videos, right?
Absolutely. You got what, 10 modules inside of that?
Yeah, there's 10 training video modules in there. Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
By the time you get done with my training, there'll be no reason, no excuses,
None.
No sniveling, no crying why you can't make a six-figure income. But you have to slow down and go to school and watch my training. All right. Okay, so let's wrap this up. Okay, Marty, Marty, my partner, you're going to bump into him every once in a while. In fact, when you join the Sizzle Call marketing system here, you're going to be introduced to Marty Bostic. He's my partner. Pay attention to what he does. The guy is a genius in how to make money online.
Like an android or something.
Yeah. So pay attention to what he does, all right? So Orlando and I will be waiting for you in our live training room.
Yes, we will.
See you there.